have like no brakes.
No brakes?
No brakes.
Does it work? I mean, will it stop it?
I hope. Feels
Well,
like it should.
test before we try to kick it out anywhere. Kick it out of the. Yeah, there we go. That's not reverse.
I know.
Oh, okay. Why are you pulling the direction with the?
What's that?
Does it stop it?
Yeah, it stops.
Okay.
Ish. Ready?
Yep. Stopped? Okay.
Yep.
What's that?
Yeah.
Power steering is for women.
Too many cars!
Hey, where's that power steering?
Power steering is for women. This is my method to get Nick to the gym. How's it feel with some load on the engine?
Good.
Smells good, numbers are good. Right, smooth.
Oh my god. Tell her Bushy to set the front brakes.
Brakes working a little bit. Not great.
No, not great.
All right.
Might need blood. I mean, they've been
Yeah,
sitting
well, we
for
do
how
have that hairline leak we got to get, so it's probably inducing a little air.
long? Want me to keep going or stop it?
No, probably just take it back, put it up. You know what I mean? It made it. I don't want to push anything right now. Your wideman's coming up a lot better under load.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know, we can do one more lap.
One more left.
Yeah. This shit is going on no rotors. Including us talking about how the brakes don't work and we're driving around.
Not a big deal.
No cam surge there.
Not at all. Yeah, it's a rotary.
I harbor a little concerns our engine coolant temp's creeping a little bit.
It's still below 180.
No, it's not.
Yeah. According to this. I'm showing 175.
I'm showing 192. Still isn't terrible or anything, but idle's behaving very well. I need to log your IX steps and see what it's doing, but wish mine idled this well. Headlights look like they work pretty well.
Yeah, not bad.
Here we go, we just doubled the longest trip ever.
Indeed.
Can you stop? Oh.
It won't go. It won't go. It
won't go.
He's going to die.
Shit.
Can.
All right. Well.